Today I'm going to show you how you can use just your iPhone to start a YouTube channel. Welcome to the channel, you guys. My name is Daniel Ford, your YouTube marketing expert. What's been holding you back from starting a YouTube channel for your business? Is it fear of failure? Is it fear of what others will think of you? Or maybe not having nice enough equipment? Let me know down in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you guys and what some of your struggles are. There's been many examples of YouTubers or popular business channels that have used just their iPhone, you guys, to start their YouTube channel. Because today I'm going to teach you guys how you can use just your iPhone to start a YouTube channel. Okay, so step number one, go to your app store, type in YouTube, and then download the app. Once the app is downloaded, you need to go to the top right corner where there's a little profile picture. Click on that little picture, and then you're gonna need to click sign in. So once you clicked on that little picture, go to the bottom left corner if you don't have an account and click add account and then create an account. Once you're all signed in and you've created an account, then go to the top of the page and click on that little camera at the top. So from here, I'm just giving you guys an idea of what you can do. If you record directly from your iPhone, then you could click, all of your camera roll will appear in here. You're gonna have to allow access to it once you're in there. But you can also record directly from here, or you can go live if you want. So it's really handy, and even from this point as well, if you make videos on here and you edit them, and they end up in your camera roll, this is where you'll come if you're looking to actually upload videos directly to YouTube from here. Okay, and step number two, you need to create a banner that tells your audience what you specialize in. And as far as a business goes, you guys, when you have a business and when you start a business, the smartest thing to do is to actually niche down or specialize in somewhere specifically. For example, for me, if I were gonna take my wife on a fancy date out to a seafood restaurant, where would I take her? Would I take her to McDonald's to get those nice, yummy Filet-O-Fishes? Or would I take her somebody probably a little more specialized? I think I would take her somewhere a little more specialized and not McDonald's. Just because they sell seafood doesn't mean that that's what their specialty is. So if you scroll to the top of my page will actually tell you specifically what I specialize in. I help entrepreneurs grow their business online using YouTube. So in order to get a banner up there, how do you do it? And you're like, I'm not a graphic artist, I can't do this. You guys, there's so many apps and free things out there that you can use that can help your business in such a way, especially just on the iPhone. If you just go to the App Store, you can find tons of free apps on there. An app that I like to use is something like Canva that can help you as well create cover art. Cool thing about Canva is you can go to the top and you can type in YouTube channel art and you can actually find templates for you out there. And what's cool is you can edit these templates. Once you save that channel art and you put it in your camera roll, this is how you're changing your channel art. For example, I'm gonna go to Google Chrome and then type in at the top, aboutme.google.com. Once you get there, this is how you can work around changing your channel art. You can change your profile picture, but you can even click on the cover photo, which is where you want to change it at, and you want to be able to put your picture in there, and that's where you can change your cover photos. So I'm curious, what areas do you guys specialize in? Let me know down in the comments below. I'd love to hear what niches or specialties that you guys focus on. So step number three, you guys, you need to be able to create nice thumbnails. Just go to the App Store, type in Thumbnail Maker or Thumbnail Creator, and you can find tons of free apps out there that can help you create thumbnails. You need good thumbnails in order to draw your audience in, and you can do it all from your iPhone. Okay, step number four, if you're on an iPhone and you need to choose an editing app, what are you gonna choose? iMovie is the most incredible editing app that you can get for free. You can do a lot with iMovie, and most of the time you really are just doing basic editing in order to get these videos out. And so I would just start with iMovie. If you guys would like a tutorial on that, I'm actually gonna be making one in the future, and I'll be linking it right here in this box. And I'll be showing you guys how you can use iMovie to edit your YouTube videos and grow your business online. Step number five is to start shooting, okay? Seriously, a lot of things that are holding people back is that they're probably not good enough on camera. They're not gonna be good at editing. They're not gonna be good at, guys, you're not gonna be good until you actually do it, okay? Do it! And the best part about this is if you are passionate about this and you are passionate about your product, you're gonna learn it and you're gonna have fun with it. I can tell you right now, when I first started my YouTube channel, I set a goal to do 3 videos a week. Way too audacious for me. I ended up actually not making my goal because I was trying to do 156 videos by the end of the year. It didn't happen, okay? I failed, but in the process, I learned so much about YouTube and how it works and how you can create a channel that actually gains growth. So I hope this process made sense. If it didn't, please let me know down below. And subscribe to the channel if you want to see more upcoming videos on how you can grow your business using YouTube.